What's that? Oh no, there's an issue recording Roblox content. I wonder what's the problem. We need to get this done fast. Alright, what's the problem? Oh, the camera's too low. Well, I can go fix that. I need to go onto the shop. As you can tell, the camera is too low. I'm just gonna drop that there. Type it. Oh, my back! Whee! Ow! Oh! I'm not a bouncy castle. Spider-Man, I'm gonna get you! Wrong place. How dare you! I'm calling your manager. All right, let's see here. £6. I can do with £6.
Yeah.
Can you please buy me a phone stand for recording?